Hi, my name is Y. Sujit Kumar. Now I'm going to discuss about our project named A Novel Test Bench for E-Waste Handling. This project is done by my friends V. Chaitanya, M. Rohit Krishna and myself Y. Sujit Kumar. And this project is supervised by our professor Dr. Himanshu Shekhar. He is working as an assistant professor in ECE department in Hindustan University, and we are the students of BTech final years in the stream of ECE in Hindustan University, Chennai. And we will see the working module of our project. And this is the complete hardware setup of our project. Here these are the components which we have used. That is the hardware components are Raspberry Pi, current sensor, IR sensor, buzzer, light, and motors, DC motors we have used. And we also use computer to monitor the IR values. That is, this is the Raspberry Pi module, and these two are the relay switches. Actually these two relays will act as switches. That is, it is used to on the Raspberry Pi module working setup. And these are the two DC motors which are connected to this relay switches. And this is the current sensor which we have used, and this is the IR sensor which we have used in this working module. If you see the working principle of this project, the Raspberry Pi is powered and it is installed with Raspbian OS, that is Raspbian operating system, and the IR sensors which we have used for the identification of presence of the object, whether the object may be light or motor. And the relay is used to on the device. Like I said before, this relay acts as a switch, that is to on the device. And the current sensor connected to the device is used to identify whether the device is working or not. Here the device connected is a DC motor. It will detect whether the object is working or not, and the result is also displayed in the monitor. This setup we will use HDMI converter, and we will connect to the laptop or PC, and in the monitor in the PyCharm monitor we can see whether the whether the device is working or not. That is, I will show you the output, how whether the this working module is monitoring on the PyCharm. That is, in first monitor we will see the motor is working, and in the second motor monitor, it is the this second motor is not working. This the IR sensor values and current sensor values are given in these two monitors, and the IR sensor and current sensor reads the values and are shown in this display monitor. And if you see the advantages, it reduces the air and water pollution, and it also recycles the products, and it reduces the hazardous substances, and it saves the money, and also it reduces the waste volume. And if you see the disadvantages, these metals like silver, gold, copper, etc. will make ground and environmental pollution, and also it causes many health effects and also global warming. And if you see these components which we have used here, Raspberry Pi is a microcontroller board based on the AT Mega 328, and it has 16 digital input output pins, of which 6 can be used as the PWM outputs, and also 8 analog inputs will be there. And the Raspberry Pi has a number of facilities for communicating with the computer or another Raspberry Pi or other microcontrollers. And also we have used a camera board, and also this DC motor is connected. If you see the DC motor, it is actually by its very nature has a high torque versus falling speed characteristic, and so due to these characteristics, this DC motor enables to deal with high starting torques and also to absorb sudden rises in load easily. And power supply, it is this motor driver is a popular motor driver IC, which is usable from 6 volts to 12 volts and up to 1 ampere total output current. And also we have used as a HDMI converter. This HDMI converter allows to connect to our computer. And if you see the Python, it is general purpose programming language which was started by Guido van Rossum, which became very popular in short time because of its simplicity and also code readability. And we have used Raspberry Pi OS operating system. And if you see, this is the references which have, this is the from which we have studied this project, and we have developed this project. And main object of our project is we will reduce the hazardous content of these materials, and also we with this can be used to reuse or refurbish or recycle in an environmental sound manner, and also they are very less harmful to the ecosystem. And if you see, this e-waste also include waste which is generated during manufacturing or assembly of such equipments. So as per the e-waste 2026 rule, 2016 rule, the e-waste defined as electrical and electronic equipment, whole or in part, discarded as waste by the consumer or bulk consumer, as well as rejects from the manufacturing, refurbishment and repairment process. And if you see the block diagram, this is the block diagram of our project, in which Raspberry Pi module is embedded with Wi-Fi module, and the buzzer is connected to it, and camera is also connected to it, and the Raspberry and OS which is present in it. This is the power supply, and HDMI connector which is used to monitor the IR and the current values. And these are the relay. To this relay we have connected the DC motor, and IR and current sensors values will be taken connected to this relay. And this is the second relay which are used to detect the light objects. And this is all about our project. And if we come to the conclusion, this is the recycling of e-waste has become a worldwide issue. Our country has also faced with the same tremendous stress on e-waste recovery. So thus we conclude in this project, we find the equipment is working or not after waste management system, and we going to segregate or separate the working and non-working products here. And these are the references which I have taken the project. And thank you for giving me this opportunity.